What's going on, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever it is in the world that you find yourself on this lovely Wednesday night. I hope you're having the grandest of times because we're about to get started on the night shift. My name is Brad. Welcome in to the Rocket Scooter Night Shift here every week, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Any night the market is open. Hope you guys have had a great day. It was a really good day in the markets for me. We'll go over that in just a minute, but let me just say good evening to Trey, of course, Mr. 21, Lucas Krug, Dave Max here, Mark Frank JPN, I am the Liquidity, Smoke Eater, Prodson Swift, C Wisdom, Pocket 02, you guys showing up. Smash that like button on your way in, guys. First giveaway, if we get to 200 likes, we'll do our first funded or our prop firm account giveaway. But we've got a lot to give away tonight. Or good buddy Patrick Whelan dropped into Matt's chat this morning and popped in $500, and Matt matched it all, of course, times 3. So we have Matt gave away 33 accounts. I'm not sure how many Neon gave away today. I think he saved some for tomorrow, but we're giving away 33 boot camps tonight. So I'm pumped about that, excited about that. We got a lot to give away, But man, welcome into the stream, guys. Let's get a temperature check on how your day was. Were you green? Were you red? Were you flat? Throw it into the chat. Let me know how your trading day went, and I'm going to go over how my trading day went in just a minute. What's up, Duarte Machado back in? Simani's back in. Sorry. How you doing on the other side of the pond? Smash that like button, people. Glad you're here. Pandle Training, green. Handsome Meetin says, what's up? Back at you. Green so far. Geeky Trader, good. Very good. Ralph, what's up? Green in the morning, ready for round 2. What's up, Future Nexus? Welcome in, buddy. Kimberly, good evening. Welcome in. Settle in. Get ready for our slow-moving markets here in the Asia session. Hopefully, we'll get some good trade setups to frame. Maybe be able to put on some positions. It was just a really good trading day for me. All of my accounts were green. The one that you're going to see that wasn't green was the one that was down like 500 last night. This 007 account right here, we almost, from last night's session to today, because today is a brand new trading day. Every trade that you take right now on a prop firm account, it's a reset. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, whatever happened yesterday, it's a reset today, so you can come into it with fresh trades, fresh green, fresh end-of-day drawdown to work with, whatever it was. So last night, we ended this 007. It was down like almost 500. But you'll see, we got it back up. Let's just go through where all the accounts stand today. We brought this back up to basically highs of the account. We got to the highs, got close to passing, had a little drawdown, been inching our way back forward. We're back now at the highs on this account. We've been baby stepping this one for a while now. This one here, this was the 007 account that we were down 500 last night when we got off the stream. We pulled in $400 on it today and got it almost back up to its high water mark as well. This account here was the first day we started trading it, put in a nice little 300 spot on it today. That was the first day we started trading it, was today. And then this other one, this was the soldier that I'm most proud of. He took a mortal wound and right here, and we have pulled it all the way back up to almost the full account drawdown yesterday and today. Just beautiful trading. I'm super happy with where we're at on all of these evals right now. I told you guys that these last couple of weeks have been the worst couple of eval trading weeks that I've had in a while. Some of it's just that barcoding market. I'm so tired of being in this pink day, blue day, pink day, blue day, pink day, blue day. I say pink and blue because that's what I keep on my charts, is pink and blue. So it's just been so maddening to trade. Let's just pop up to the daily time frame here. Of course, NQ closed above Tuesday's high and Monday's high, putting in a new weekly high here and still pushing up into the previous day high, gapping up, in fact, from yesterday. And it's just like, we don't want to get out of any of this range. We're pulling that back up into all this slop again. Here we go. Here we go again, it feels like. Here we go again. It's all headline driven. Everything is completely headline driven right now. Interestingly enough, ES has not put in a new high of the week. The high of the week on ES is on this Monday candle right here. Up here at 69.12 would be a new high of the week. We haven't taken out yesterday's high. Maybe we get up there. Man, going in, I really felt like we would close this week out closer down here, back closer to the lows, and maybe we do. All it takes is one crazy headline from the war in the Middle East that's going on, and everything gets really topsy-turvy again. The volatility, VIX closed back down near its triple B. This was Tuesday, Wednesday, back down close to triple B, still above triple B, so we still have that volatility coming in. But things have seemed to settle down, and the market has kind of shrugged off any of the danger that it felt like we were in when the war started over the weekend, right? So, you know, it wouldn't surprise me if overnight like in this session, if we drift up into these highs, if we get a little pullback, it wouldn't surprise me if we got a little pullback here. We're just rebalancing and repricing all of that war drama that's been going on. So the trades that I would be framing up tonight is seeing how price. I don't have a really strong conviction. Yeah, Matt, thanks. Yeah, we just talked about the 33 boot camp. So yeah, we're definitely going to be smashing those out tonight for sure. But yes, thank you for that reminder. I don't have a super strong conviction. I know Pat was awesome, wasn't he? Just giving the trading world the best education on the planet. It's like he knows that if people really wanted to learn and get a great education, he knows that he needed to come over here to Rocket Scooter Land and really help some people out, since all they get over there is entertainment. I'm just kidding. We don't want to start any smack over there with PW. But yeah, we are going to definitely be giving out 33 boot camps tonight. So, but for me, what I'm looking for, I want to see if we get up here into these highs, if we just kind of drift up higher. If we just drift up higher here, I want to see what kind of reaction we get. It wouldn't surprise me if we just kind of tap up into here and then roll back over. After the volatility that we've had today and the big bull run, I've begun to notice that the Asia sessions following a very volatile and big move New York session can be choppy. We can get into some ranges. So that's also kind of what I'm thinking. If we drop heavy down into here, into the dynamic HP and the MHP levels on NQ, I will definitely be looking to buy those. I don't think, I think we're holding steady above that big gap down price now. It doesn't feel like, I don't know. I say this every time. I've been saying this every time for as long as I've been streaming, and I was even thinking it out loud to myself before I was streaming. I don't know. This market is literally whatever the day before did, just do the opposite the next day. I mean, look at the alternating pattern. Like it's crazy. red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Blue 2 days in a row, red 2 days in a row, blue, red, blue. And it's just crazy. The just do the opposite. It's like opposite day every day in the trading world, in the futures trading world right now. So it's maddening. I'm gonna be looking to see how I feel if price just grinds up here real slow. It feels like the buyers are just wanting to support price. But if we get up here into kind of previous day high, the current week high, if ES has this yellow, which has been respected all day today. Its current week high is way up here. Previous day high, obviously right up here, but we have the yellow line as a good interrupt. So that's this yellow line kind of lines up with NQ yellow line and previous day high as well. So I'm just gonna kind of see what happens up here. I wouldn't mind taking a short scalp, maybe not a big scalp, expecting a huge dump, but maybe something, get a quick, maybe, 15, 20 points on NQ, potentially, something like that, I might be happy with. So it is Boot Camp Bonanza tonight. Boot Camp Bonanza tonight, y'all. We got 133 people in here, and we only have 48 of you that have clicked that like button. So let me tell you how this works. We give away stuff every single night on the Rocket Scooter Night Shift, but it comes at a price, and that price is you smashing that like button. So do me a favor, hit that like button. The more you hit it, the more it helps the channel, the more we can give away. And we're on our way to becoming the #1 most watched night stream for day traders in the Asia session. So help us get there. Help us get this algorithm to pick it up and put it out there into other people's timelines. Help us grow, help us support the channel. You guys have been awesome in doing that so far. So just keep doing it. Smash that like button. First account giveaway will be at 200. All right, if we get to 200 likes, we'll do our first account giveaway. I have firm and total confidence that you will get us there. So what's up, Em? How you doing? Slacks is okay, I heard. Great news. Yeah, I did see in Neon's channel that Matt popped in and said Slacks is alive. That could mean a lot of different things, but I'm glad he's alive. It was getting a little worrisome there because that dude is so active and such an integral part of our community. To not have any contact with him was quite disconcerting. So he's alive in my basement, never letting him leave. Yeah, we can't let that guy get away. Just lock him up, strap him to the chair, and put Discord in front of his face and the stream on a screen next to him. But glad to hear at least we know that he is alive. So hopefully we'll get him back in here pretty soon with us all. So we're just NQ popping above previous day high, aggressively popping above yesterday's high. That was quite the move there. ES popping above the yellow line, getting a little bit of rejection. This is going to be really interesting. I don't want to chase along. I don't want to just chase along off of yellow line. I don't really want to chase along off of just breaking previous day high. So I'm just a little like, and when I feel like that, I don't know. It's like I'm comfortable sitting out until I get a better setup or I have a better way to frame a trade on what I'm seeing price action give us. So I don't know if anybody took that long off. Well, we didn't. The only really pivot point we had to work off right at the open was the HP on ES. Provided a lot of support, and we're getting a very aggressive bounce right now. What's up, Farino? Staying up late again. Thanks for being here, Adam. K, welcome in. Miracle X12, welcome in. Rockstar, welcome in. They're just blindly, yeah, that's what it feels like. It's just like, hey, the buy algorithm has been turned on, and we're just gonna float or grind higher. We're gonna get these floats and then pops, maybe some consolidation and then float and then pop. And so, not great. It's not great for how I like to trade, because we're not really any near high volume pivots. We're near the yellow interrupt on NQ and ES. I mean, really, if we just make an aggressive run up to DD band, that would be the next place that I would want to short from if we even get up that high. China news headlines on financial juice. Let's pull it up. Got it over here. China will resolutely oppose hegemony. I can't even say that word. Uphold international fairness and justice. Spending this year will continue to be fairly large in scale. Copy of official report. Stay committed to independent foreign policy of peace. Integrated development across the Taiwan Strait. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot. I guess people are really happy about that China news. Will ensure Hong Kong and Macau are more effectively governed according to the law. Coordinate orderly risk resolution in property, local government debt, and small and medium financial institutions. It's interesting that China news is what's driving it. Very interesting. I don't know if you guys saw this today. If you were not on Matt's stream, let me just show you. Our boy's sitting at $590,000. $590,000 on his journey to $1 million. So way to go, Matt. Congrats on another incredible trading day. It's always just so inspiring to see you pump that out consistently again and again. So way to go, man. Keep it up. We're cheering you on. I want Matt to get to $1 million because he told me that part of the employment deal was if he got to $1 million, he would split it with me and Neon 3 ways. So I'm still waiting on the official employment agreement that actually states that out. But I mean, that's why I took the job. He did not say that. I did not take this job because of that. I would have if he had said that. I would have. Madeline Ann says, awesome stream. Thank you so much. Boomer Trader, what's up? Good evening. Thanks for popping in, buddy. As always, that's the sign-on bonus. Yeah, I was like, man, I'm expensive. I'm expensive. Yes! All of it, baby! All of it. There's only one right answer. Y'all better hit all of it right now. Come on. I didn't put that poll up. I think whatever. Close the poll right now. Close the poll. Close the poll. Close. I can end it. I can end it, Matt. I have power back here. Oh, jeez. We'll see how who put 0? Come on, y'all. Was that iDoc and Matt? Are y'all the zeros? Lady Darb's in there pounding the $1 million button right now as fast as she can. That's so funny. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. What's up, Phrase? Welcome in, bud. Good to see you again. All right, so Asia popped up, took out the current week high and daily high here on NQ. We took out the daily high on ES. We still have some room to go to make a new weekly high up over here on ES. Yellow line's holding there on ES and holding still on NQ. So I'm just going to chill. I'm just going to sit on my hands until I feel like I just don't have a great idea right now for me to frame a trade off of. I'm not really a break and retest trader. Since I started trading rocket scooter stuff, I've kind of given up on a lot of the old technical analysis pattern kind of trading and candle pattern trading. So I'm just gonna wait and see if I can get my levels to hit. I would love to see a sell off into this. If we get a strong like close back underneath here, I might consider a short off of the previous day high kind of play, you know, where we cleared out liquidity. Asia a lot of times likes to clear out some liquidity and then gravitate back toward the New York close. So maybe we'll frame that. If I do, it would be a really small position because I just don't have a ton of confidence in that. All right, guys, tell me, any fallen soldiers out there today? Did anybody put their little soldiers out in the battlefield? Did any of them pay the ultimate price today? Any funded accounts get breached? Any evals get breached? Do we have any fallen soldiers that need to be remembered and saluted? What you got? I don't have any today. All my soldiers survived. And in fact, the one that was mortally wounded, we patched him back up and he's all the way back to full health. What's up, Trey? All green here. A rapid MF eval got blown. Okay. 2 funded accounts that got promoted in tank rather than fallen. Nice. Congrats. 2 top step combines gone. The Iron Beam account, I haven't traded. I haven't touched it, man. I haven't touched it. Number one, I was super busy last week with all the church stuff that was going on. And then with all the war stuff going on, the poll ended. Half of the $1 million that Matt makes, half. 42% say I should get half. I'm going to go with the poll. Just as the first poll we ever did said that I was the best looking trader and it stuck. I think, chat, remember, Brad gets half the mill. No, haven't traded the micro account, the live micro account. Last week I was just too busy. I didn't have time to give attention to it. This week, yeah, crap, right, bro. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. This week with all the war stuff, I was like, I'm not going to try and touch that live account. I'm just going to focus on getting these evals passed. I need to get my eval pass rate is about 50 to 60%. Oh, look at this. Nice little reversal here off of the previous day high. I'm liking this. This would be a nice cheap trade, a nice cheap short. ES potentially looks. Let me just think about this real quick, guys. Hold on. I'm just trying to frame this idea how I would want to position this. See 96, 901. That's 5 points. That's a cheap trade. I would be fine with that. I would be fine with that cheap trade. Here it's like 40 points. Not as cheap on NQ there. Don't like that. You know what? I think I'm just gonna do a really small micro 2 contract. If I can get a retest of that yellow line and just a stop right up here, that's 6 points. That's a super cheap trade for me. I don't have a lot of conviction in it, so I'm going to go with a really small position. We'll see how it goes. All right. Half for you, half for Neon, says Duarte Machado. No, man, that's all Matt's hard-earned money. He deserves every bit of it. I mean, what a freaking incredible feat to pull off live in front of all of the world to critique and troll, and he just keeps making money again and again and again. So it's all his. Matt's so generous to us anyway, so you know what? just being able to call Matt my friend, that's a gift enough for me. He is my friend, and it is a gift to call him my friend. All right. We had some fallen soldiers in the chat already naming it. We already had somebody. I saw several of them. So we're going to pause. We're going to take just a minute. And even if you didn't have a fallen soldier today, we've all had them. We don't need to forget them. We need to remember the price that was paid.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you, fallen soldiers. We salute you. Grateful for all of them that have fought so valiantly for us. They took all of our orders without question. With their brave little faces, their little micro contracts. They did everything they were asked. Salute, baby. Today is a good day. No fallen soldiers today. All right, I chased so many rabbits. I'm sorry. I was telling y'all, my eval pass rate is since about July is averaging 50 to 60% on the pass rates. So it's been a little, it's been definitely frustrating trading in this environment, and it's affected that. And I wonder how much just even knowing this, I think for me initially, like that first week streaming, definitely there was some psychology adjustment again as I got back into live streaming and trading and understanding just, how that can affect your trading decisions day in and day out. It does. So, Rockstar says, yeah, dude, he's good, but we don't have the money to trade like he does. These little micro scalps are 5,000 to 24,000 for him, but maybe only 50 to 150 for us. The only one, I would change one word in that whole sentence, buddy. And I would say, yeah, dude, he's good, but we don't have the money to trade like he does yet. The way we talk to ourselves matters. Our brains listen to the language that we speak. It listens to the voice in our heads. The same trades he's taking are the same trades we're taking. And while he has the size and we don't, it is the same trade, which means if you can continue your discipline and you can continue your journey and you can continue building over time, getting your little green brick at the end of the day because you operated the machine correctly, over time, those $50 to $150 moves are $500 to $1,000 moves, and then $2,000 to $6,000 moves, and then $5,000 to $20,000 moves. So Let's just change one little word. No, dude. That's, yeah, it is. I get it. You watched, dude, I've thought the same thing, Rockstar. That's not an indictment of you or your comment. I have to remind myself of that all the time. I have to catch myself all the time about how I speak to myself. I have to remind myself all the time about the correct way to think, because my brain and your brain doesn't know the difference between our thoughts being true or not. And it believes and creates the reality around us that we continue to feed it. That voice in our head that we let it speak, that speaks to us, we're preaching to ourselves every single day. We're preaching to ourselves every single day. And what's the message that you're preaching to yourself every single day? And over time, it's going to matter a lot. It's going to matter a lot. All right, got tapped in here. Let's see if we can make a lower low. If not, I have a very cheap trade exit up here at the high. If we make a new high for the day, I'll get out and reevaluate. Naruto says that mentality is what makes trading so difficult. It is. It's hard when you're trading 25K flex accounts and you're trading micros to pass, and you're seeing, Matt take this exact same position potentially, and he'll get a 10-point move and make $6,000, and I'll get a 10-point move and make 50. and that's just the position. The trade is what matters. The trading plan is what matters, not the P&L. Like, trade your plan. Don't worry about the P&L. Neon has preached this. It's stats over stacks. That's what's most important in your trading career is, are you following your trading plan? Are you managing your position sizing well? Are you managing your emotions well? Are you doing all the things that you need to do to operate the machine and give yourself a green brick at the end of the day to build your wall with? That's the only thing that matters. That's it. That's it. That's all that matters. So don't worry about the position sizing. We all watch Matt because it's entertaining and it's motivational that one day we can be where he's at. But do you think Matt got there by doing what we're doing? Do you think Matt got there by changing up his trading plan every day? Do you think Matt got there by chasing trades? Do you think Matt got there by switching it up, trading emotionally, going on tilt, revenge, resetting accounts and blowing it? No, he got there because he developed a disciplined trading plan. He created the Rocket Scooter tools and all of the tools that go into helping him understand where the market wants to pivot, why it wants to pivot there, where the strength really lies. And then he executed it day in and day out. Matt is trading at an extraordinary level. And just that word alone should tell you everything you need to know about why we're still ordinary. To be extraordinary means you have to do what everyone that's doing the ordinary thing isn't doing. That's really the truth of the matter of, if you want to be extraordinary, then you have to stop doing the ordinary. You have to stop operating the way that the ordinary people operate. So keep the discipline intact, keep the emotions intact. Continue to work on the mental game of just operating the machine the right way every single day. And your machine is your trading plan. It's your trading system. Operate it the same every single day. And, Matt started trading futures in 2016, I think. He put that tweet out the other day. He started trading in 2016. It's 10 years, man. He wasn't doing a $100K to $1 million challenge 10 years ago. I think he talked a lot about today, just about, taking that severance package, putting some money in, having to withdraw to help pay bills, maybe being late 1 month here or there because, whatever, he had to take some out because he put too much in and took too much risk. Dude, the dude has paid the dues. He went through it all, just like we are. He's gone through it all. And 10 years now, he's doing 100K to $2 million challenge. He may have already done this before. I don't know if he's ever done $1 million challenge before. I don't think he has. I know he's done like, 10K to 100K, 5K to 50K. And I know he's done a lot of those. But this, I don't know if he's still watching. He can let us know. I think this is his first actual let's go to a milli. So you're making Matt seem like Maximus Decimus Meridius. Well, listen, show me who else out there. And I'm not trying to blow smoke up Matt's skirt. That's funny. But give the man his dues. You can say the same thing about Rips. Rips is on there, trading live, cash accounts. He's doing it. I'll give him the dues too. Like, the dude is trading a live cash account on YouTube every day with his live account number. We've seen him lose 100K, and we've seen the trolls pile in. And do you think he gets like, oh my God, they don't like me, I lost 100K? No, he's never gotten flustered. He's never gotten pissed off. He's never changed how he's trading. He's never done anything except take the trades that he says that he always takes. He's traded the same way through the whole process. Where's the trolls right now? They're gone because the skill has proved he's the real deal. Like, he's the real deal. There's not many real deal traders out there, and he's the real deal. So I just fulfilled my contractual obligation for the evening as an employee of Rocket Scooter, so we can move on. That was part of the $500,000 bonus speech. Come on. You're right. I'm not getting the million. Look at the poll, my friend. It's half. It's just half. I'm not brown nosing anybody. What are you talking about? Look at what the guy's doing in the last 8 weeks. In the last 8 weeks, look at what the guy has done. It's insane. Like, how do you call that brown? That's like if Michael Jordan, like if I was talking about Michael Jordan and I knew he was listening and just going through all of his accolades and telling people how good of a trader or good of a basketball player he was, that he's probably the greatest of all time. Is that brown nosing Michael Jordan? No. I mean, how can you lie about MJ? You can't say enough good things about MJ. How can you lie about Matt? You can't say enough good things about the way Matt trades. Like, it's just the truth. He's proven it time and time again. If you go to 11 million and I get half of that. Oh man, Darb is about to take back everything he just said until he sees that check for 500K. Yep. Matt's going to go pay our video guy to clip that and make a video short. That's going to be the next Rocket Scooter video short that's going to go viral. It's not brown nosing. We're just simply saying, and he even mentioned in his morning stream that, yeah, it's easier to make money with a high profit than with much higher capital. Absolutely. Yeah, 100%. When you take big swings and you know what you're doing, you're going to make a lot of money very quickly. And we've also seen when you take big swings, you can miss and you can lose a lot of money quickly. We've seen that demonstrated just as well. So it's all good. Let's see, guys. We're only up to 87 likes and there's over 200 people watching right now. And that is just not cool. We can do way better. We can do better, guys. Come on, hit that like button. Let's get it going. Get those likes up. If you want to give away tonight, we got to get to 200 likes. We've gotten to 400 likes every night so far this week. We've gotten over 400 likes every night this week, which is pretty freaking awesome. considering we've only been streaming here on the night shift for, this is start of week 3, I think. Start of week 3. This is the third weekly anniversary. I don't know if you can call weeks anniversaries. I don't know if that's accurate or not. Dude, what am I doing? What am I doing? Where's my music? Why don't y'all say something? This is how my day went today. Is it cocky if you can back it up? Yeah, he's cocky for the show. I will 100% attest. I can 100% attest that that is not Matt's natural personality in life. I've got to hang out with him multiple times now, and the streaming Matt is definitely not real life Matt. Both cool to hang out with. I prefer the real life Matt to hang out with. It's fun to watch streaming Matt though. Cocky brings in the views. Yeah, that's what people don't understand. Like you have, like, when you're on YouTube and you're a streamer, the job is to draw a crowd. Like, that's your whole job. We use trading and the trading niche to find people that want to come watch what we're doing. But really, you got to draw a crowd, and you've got to, in some ways, entertain to a certain degree so that people want to stick around, engage in the chat, troll the host. It's like he says, you've heard Matt say all the time, just get him to talk about you. That's what that whole song I wrote about him was. Just get him to say your name. So, people love to hate, and they love to hate the bad guy or the cocky guy. Like, they want to come in and just be like, man, look how arrogant that guy is. Can you believe he's talking like that? And it's just entertainment. Y'all got to understand that. PW's the same way. I've never hung out with him in person. He may be like that all the time. I don't know. I've heard Matt said, like, oh no, Patrick's chill in life. There's a shtick that you have to there's a brand that you build to build an audience and to build engagement. So I like that we didn't take out the high. That's encouraging for me. We had an aggressive sell back down under the yellow. That's a margin buffer requirement line from a previous session. It's holding up on NQ, which I don't like, but ES, I'd love to see it not try to re-explore back up above there. I want to see it. I want to see that open become a magnet and try to draw a price at least back down towards the VWAP line here. No one watches a boring performer. You're right. That's exactly right. You can be the best trader in the world, but if you just get on your stream and you don't talk to people, you have no personality, and you just click a button or you don't put your face on or whatever it is, people don't want to watch that. They want to watch you trade. They want to hear you talk about the market. They want to, have some jokes to crack. So there's a lot of there's a lot that goes into streaming. A lot that goes into streaming. Mike Cox says seeing a live P&L not hidden behind a paywall is so nice for the space too. That's exactly right. You don't have to go into a private Discord and watch a private stream. It's all out for public consumption right in front of your face. Alicia Plotke, who made the songs? I did. All the ones that you're listening to right now are all the songs that I created and produced, wrote. They're all AI. I didn't actually record the music, but yeah, I did them all. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, Dave Mack says, yeah, it's incredible how a lot of streamers don't push their P&L on the screen. They just call out BS numbers. Yeah. That's pretty much most of the YouTube streamers that you see. They just don't put it on the screen. Some will, some don't. Most don't. Brad's the music man for Rockets. Yeah, that's me. I'm in Texas. Yeah, I'm down in Houston, just down the road from where Matt lives. We live about 30 minutes away from each other. I like that you read the chat when you can. I know some streamers who just talk to themselves all stream. Well, stick around, Larry, because I can get into some rabbit holes and just completely ignore the chat when I get up on my soapbox about something. So I'm trying to get better about watching the chat, but I'll chase some tangents and chase some rabbits, okay? I can get on a thought trail and just forget what I was completely talking about, and then remember, oh yeah, there's 230 people watching you right now. Go see what they're asking you. We're up to 109 likes, so we're doing a little bit better. But that's not even half of the people that are watching right now. So if you guys could please smash that like button. If we get to 200 likes, we'll do our first giveaway. We'll do our first account giveaway, our prop firm account giveaway. If we can, we have 33 boot camps that Patrick Wieland so generously donated to the stream today. He really believes that more and more people should take the Rocket Scooter boot camp and education, and he dropped in $500, and Matt matched it times 3. So thank you, Patrick Wieland, for helping more people become the best educated traders on the planet. We want to give a shout out to Pat for doing that. He knows how good our stuff is, and he just really wanted to give more of you an opportunity to really be the best traders that you could be too. So that's what we're doing. We'll give away 10 boot camps at the top of the hour. 10 boot camps. The first 10 boot camps we'll give away at the top of the hour. And then if we get to 200 likes, we'll give away a prop account. Okay. Mark Frank says, Brad, you got to set up your DOM so it shows your position on there like Matt has. I gotta get on the right account. It'll show it right here. There you go. There you go. 2 micros. Yeah, I forget that I gotta switch it because I have them down like at the bottom of my screen. I have this account up, but it doesn't. I have to, because this is the Trade-of-8 web. This is the actual trading view that's just linked to Trade-of-8, so they don't. I got to remember to switch them both at the same time. I'm gonna forget that, so y'all have to remind me. Y'all will have to remind me to how to do that, or just to do that. Easier to see on the DOM. Okay, cool. Well, there you go. There you go. I'm happy to help. That's why I'm here. I'm just happy to help. Almost into our first hour here. We'll see what kind of volatility comes in as we roll into the 8 o'clock hour. Somebody had an idea. Can't remember who it was, but they were like, hey, we should make a song on the stream one night. And I was like, that's actually a pretty good idea. When I was putting together ideas about the stream and just like different things we could do, I knew the Asian market can get slow and choppy and rangy sometimes. And so that was actually one of the ideas that I had, was like, yeah, man, I like doing the Suno music. Music is part of my life as a profession anyway. So a lot of people have asked how you make it, and we could just let chat just kind of help build it all out. Why am I on ES and not in Q? Because NQ is not closing back below the yellow line. Also, NQ is not as cheap as a trade for me. ES gives me a much cheaper entry. And if I'm wrong from the right place at a much cheaper level. So that's why I'm on ES, not NQ for this position. Esteban, Mr. Darb, can I please have $10? And also, can you show NQ for a second? Oh yeah, let's pop over to NQ. Let's get those levels up. Here's your overnight dynamics. And there's your DD bands, your yellow line. And I keep all of the previous, as the week builds, I keep previous closes, opens, half gaps on my chart. But I keep the one that's most recent bolded. And you can see the cluster right here, back under at the lower DD band down here. You can see quite the cluster here of how they all mash up. The Tuesdays, half gap, open, closes, Monday, Wednesday. It's all, this level was, there was a lot of trading down here that took place all week so far. And that's why I just like to see where the clusters show up, especially when they line up with rocket scooter levels like DD bands or HP, MHP levels. They're really powerful. It does look like NQ may want to run up to DD band. We just took out previous day high. What I've noticed a lot of times is Asia does tend to, at first, grind up to the closest liquidity level, and a lot of times that's the previous day high or low, something like that, and it'll grab that liquidity, and then you can see it's not, once it popped aggressively through there, it's come back and traded underneath that level and held that. I would love to see that the Asia Open become a magnet and start drawing price back down. We'll see. We got about 5 minutes for this hourly candle to close out. Oh, there's a nice little pop. There's a nice little pop. This is a cheap trade for me. I would usually be in it with like 4 micros on this, at least double that, 4 to 5 micros. But because my confidence level was low, I went with a smaller micro position. I'd probably be wanting to take profit down here near VWAP if we can get back down there. The $10. Hey, I'll tell you what. After Matt hits his milli and I get half, hit me up on Discord and I'll shoot you 10. So Fraser, the old lines, yeah, I have noticed that previous day gaps, especially like opening week gaps, like the Monday opening week gap, can tend to be a magnet for the rest of the week on a non-trending market. Like if the week isn't really a trending week, that opening gap is a draw. And I've noticed especially when you get clusters like this, I tend to notice more volatility or at least reaction off of those. Again, like I said, especially when they're lined up around rocket scooter levels, whether it's a margin buffer, a red line, a yellow line, a MHP, a DD band. If they're all close together like that, you definitely see them. When they're just kind of out in the middle, like this Monday half gap right here, like look at Monday open, or this was the Monday close right here. See this level right above dynamic MHP or dynamic HP? This level right here was the Monday close. And you can see as we came up to it today, the reactions we had as resistance off of Monday's close. And then once we broke it, Monday's close acted as support. And we ended up closing back underneath it, and then Asia opened and popped back up. So they definitely have, the market remembers those levels. The opens and closes, the market remembers those levels. And I've tend to notice, I don't strictly use them. I might use them as a like for this, like I could potentially use that, but as a profit target, right? Is say, hey, this could be an interrupt. It's not a rocket scooter interrupt, but it is. I've noticed that it could be. I could use it as an interrupt for me. But with HP right there, so close, if I really wanted to hold, I don't think I want to hold that long because the market has been so bullish the last couple of days. I want to get a quick scalp, and if we can get down to VWAP, I'd probably be happy with that. Panel Trading says if price is greater than NWAG and trending, then buy. When liquidity taken and trend broken, then short back down to the new week opening gap. Yeah. Yeah, the new week, the week opening gap, that Monday opening gap, I've noticed it tends, especially the Monday open and close prices, they probably have the biggest reactions. And that's just my own data collection from that more than anything else. That's why I like to leave them on there. $130 likes. 130 likes. New hour's about to turn over. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Come on. Give me one more little pop down. I'd like to take it. We just kind of broke structure there. On the higher time frames, it's just a little pullback. So that's why I'm like, I want to make a quick, I would like to see if we could get back down to VWAP. I would be really happy about that. These higher time frames, this is nice little rejection on the 1 hour off of that. We could get a retest of that hourly wick right here. 68.89, so 68.90 level, which is right at VWAP, same level. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Come on, guys and girls, smash that like button for me if you guys want a giveaway tonight. If you want a prop firm giveaway, we got to get to 200 likes, so we still got some work to do on that. Yep, we're BF. We're gonna give the first 10 boot camps here in just a minute. We're gonna give the first 10 boot camps away here in just a minute. So just hang on. We will give all 33 away tonight across the entire stream. Slow night tonight, yeah. This is kind of the typical Asia session that I've noticed. You know, this is kind of, I think when people think slow market Asia session, this is kind of the vibe that you get. Volatility is slowed down. We had a big New York session. We had a big move on the New York session. And a lot of times Asia will tighten up and just kind of rebalance, reprice, kind of build liquidity there inside. So hopefully I've picked the top of the range chop here, but we'll find out in about 10 seconds when we always get a little quick volatility hit when the hour turns over in the Asia session. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. It may be a big flat nothing. C Wisdom says, yesterday was my first day that I decided to trade after 3 p.m. I did great yesterday. Well, there you go. It's been a challenge for me, kind of getting my vibe and my feel for the Asia session. So, you know, I'm still learning and still kind of figuring out how I want to trade the Asia session. You know, it is what it is. Until 3 weeks ago, I never traded at night. So you are watching live forward testing Asia session strategies. And really it's the same strategies that I would trade in the New York session. There's just a little bit less information to work with at night for the rocket scooter tools. So you just have to be a little more patient. You have to be very disciplined and not just try to force something. Have a very good trade plan and set up framed out. And if you're going to be wrong cheap, and be wrong quick, and be wrong from the right place. Don't frame a trade idea of what you want to see price do, and then 10 seconds later when you see a big candle pop one way or the other, completely abandon your thesis. That has screwed me over so many times. All right, let's go. Come on, let's get it. Put some green on the board. Man, I'm getting stuffy. I hope I'm not getting sick again. I feel like I'm getting stopped up. Up to almost 150 likes, guys. We're making slow but steady progress toward those likes. We can do better. All right, guys. Because of Patrick Whelan's generosity, because he knows the greatest trading education on the planet. Look at that. GG's. Let's go. We put some green on the board. Took a little baby trade. I'm very happy about that outcome. It may continue to go down. If it comes down, that would be fantastic. We have HP levels to play with. So we'll see what happens. GG's, anybody that took that short there with me. Beautiful little framed out sweep of the daily high. A rejection off of that daily high. A rejection off of the margin buffer limit. And then bam, riding it back down. Quick little $65. I'll take it. NQ closing back down underneath its yellow as well. Same thing, little sweep of the previous day high. Take it out. You get a little reprice action on there. I love it. Very simple, very easy to see, very easy to frame up. I love it. I love those little base hits, man. New account high on that one, so nice to see that. I can't remember what I was talking about. Oh yeah, see, this is what I was talking about. I get distracted. The trade, we made money. I had to talk about it. We made some money. I had to talk about it. Patrick Whelan knows that the best trading education on the planet is the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp, which is why he dropped into Matt's stream this morning, donated $500, and Matt tripled it. Giving away 100 accounts. Matt took 33. Neon took 33. I'm taking 33. We're going to give away 10 boot camps right now. Hold on. Don't do anything just yet. I want you. I got a new comment grabber tonight that should work beautifully. Type in the word boot camp into the stream right now. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to type in the word boot camp, and then we're going to grab all of the I've got a brand new comment picker so it can grab all your names, and then we'll use Wheel of Names. It works beautifully. I actually used it on Neon's stream today just to test it out, and it was perfect. No glitches, no having to copy and paste and clear out HTML and wonder if it's going to work. Type in boot camp. If you haven't taken the boot camp, we're giving away 10 boot camps right now. Keep typing it in. You don't have to type it in once, but if you want to type it in multiple times, it's fine. Just to make sure your name's in there. But yeah, if you haven't taken the boot camp yet, I can't think of a better investment of $20. I really can't. I can't think of a better $20 investment that you can make in your trading education and your trading journey. It is fantastic. Not only do you learn just good trade management and good trade psychology, you learn all about how the Rocket Scooter system works. And literally after probably like the second or third video, it's 20 videos. Plus there's like a couple master classes in there for like how to pass prop firms and get payouts and all that kind of stuff. And those are great and fantastic as well. But just going through it. In fact, I'm probably going to go through it again myself. I've watched everything like 3 times already, and every time I'm reminded of something that I forgot about, or is just a good reinforcement for my brain and my psychology, just sharpening up what I'm seeing. It's called reticular activation. Reticular activation is another part of neuroscience that when you Think about when you want something or when you've studied something so long, you begin to see it everywhere you look. And then one of the best examples is you go buy a new car and you never saw that car before on the road, but now that you've bought that new car, you see that car everywhere on the road because your brain is picking up, the reticular activation is kicking in, and it's identifying those things that are important to you. And so that's why I like to go back and just rewatch some of the boot camp videos as well. It's just a good refresher and a good reminder for myself, and it sharpens that reticular activation. So when I'm on the charts, I can react and operate the machine the right way and get me a little green brick at the end of the day. Boot camp is $20, but we're giving away 10 right now. You've got about 35 more seconds. 35 more seconds. If you haven't typed in boot camp, go ahead, and then we're gonna draw. I'm gonna copy all the winners into the wheel of names. Get rid of all these. Let me get wheel of names over here. We'll get it pulled up and ready. All right, about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Here we go. First, look at, I told you it was gonna work. I told you. I love it. I love it. All right, guys, we're gonna draw for 10. We're gonna spin 10 times just because we have time. Markets are moving slow. I don't really have another great trade set up in front of me at the moment, so we're just gonna spin and see what we get. All right, here we go. We'll give away 10 more at the top of the next hour, so hang around. Top of the next hour, we'll do 10 more boot camps. Jason M. Didn't you win last night, Jason M? Didn't you win a boot camp last night already? I feel like you won something last night, didn't you? If you're here, type in that you're here and that you want the boot camp. What did you win the boot camp or did you win something else? Oh, you got the 25K. Dude, you need to go buy a lottery ticket, my friend. All right, Jason, you're the first winner of the boot camp. Winner number 1. Close. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna shuffle it up. Here we go. Mike Hook. Congratulations, you're winner number 2. Type something in chat, Mike. Let me know you're here and that you won it. I got you, Brad Petty. I'll add you. Mike Hook, are you here? Let me know. Oh, yeah. All right, winner number 2. Congrats. Congrats, Mike. You get to take the boot camp. You get 1 month free. So take it and watch all the videos. All right. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Here we go. Winner number 3. Oh, I forgot to add Brad Petty. I'll add Brad. I'll add you right now. Let me get down here after this winner's drawn. Young Cootie. Oh man, dang it! I forgot. Young Cootie, are you here? Young Cootie. All right. I got you, Young Cootie. I gotta add Brad Petty because I told him I would. It's his birthday. Happy birthday, Brad. That's 3. Going for winner number 4. Oof. We dropping hard here. Oops, I don't want that. Go away. Go back here. Chris Christian, you're the winner. Congrats. Winner number 4, Chris Christian. Let me know you're here. Type something in chat. Cool. You're winner number 4, Chris. 6 more, guys. Making our way. Here we go. If you missed the drawing on this time, it's okay. We're going to do another one at the top of the hour. Hang around. We'll do it again. Oh, Juan Restrepo. Juan Restrepo. Are you here? Type something in chat. Juan Restrepo. Let me know you're here. Sorry I got the sniffles, guys. I don't know why I'm getting so stuff up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Was that 5? One, two, three, 4. Yeah, and Young Cootie. Okay, so that's 5. We got 5 more. We got 5 more. It's Burns Trades. I know, I saw him in here already. It's Burns Trades, winner number 6. You already have one? All right. Why'd you type boot camp? Scared Money. You the winner. Scared Money, let me know you're here. Scared Money, are you in the house? Are you in the house, Scared Money? Got you. Your winner number 6. Yeah, this Ayatadu. These are the entries for the first 10. We'll do another 10 in the top of the hour, and we'll do new entries. So we had 3 minutes to type it in, and these are the guys that got it in. So Johnny Marku. Johnny Marku, are you here? That pickle chip. This is for account number 7. Johnny Marku. Joni Marku, you got 10 seconds. 10, 9. There'll be another drawing. Hang in there. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. There'll be another drawing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Joni, did not respond in time. Still looking for winner number 7. G80 Jarim. G80 Jarim. Let me know if you're in the chat and you want the boot camp. Let me know if you're here. G80 Jarim. Jarim, are you here? You won, baby. You're number 7. You're number 7. All right. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Here we go. Number 8. Hang around. I'll give you instructions. If you're one of the winners, just hang around. I'll give you some instructions. 4X Made Easy. 4X Made Easy. Are you here? Are you here? Are you here? Make sure you guys tap the live button on YouTube to make sure you're caught up with the most recent. I know sometimes when I'm watching on my phone, I'll lose like 30 seconds and not realize I'm 30 seconds behind. All right, 4X Made Easy, you're number 8. Congrats. Got you. Hang out. I'll give all the winners instructions here in just a minute. Sean Gartland, winner number 9. Sean Gartland, are you here? If you've won one of the boot camps, just hang out for a minute and I'll give you instructions, guys, after we get all 10 drawn, all right? I'll give you instructions in just a minute. Just bear with me. Sean Gartland, I see you. I see you, Sean. Number 10. This is the first of 3 10 boot camp draws that we're going to do tonight, all right? So if you missed the draw, if your name's not in here, it's all right. We're going to do it 2 more times tonight. Yash Trades Futures. Yash Trades Futures. All right, there we go. I see you, Yash. I'm screenshotting all these so I can give them to Slacks just so he has them. But you guys need, if you just won one of the boot camps, you need to go into the description of this video. You're going to go to the Discord link and you're going to go into our Discord channel, find the contest channel. You're going to find our admin, a guy named Slacks. You're going to message him and let him know that you won one of the boot camps on Brad's night shift stream, and send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID. All right. And then he'll give you all the deets on how to claim your free boot camp. All right. So congrats to the first 10 winners. We're going to do that at the top of every hour tonight. So at the top of the next hour, we'll give away 10 more. We're only 164 likes right now, guys. Woo! Broke through dynamic HP here. Getting a little bit of a sell-off to the downside. ES is just tumbling. NQ is beginning that tumble. Man, I'm telling you what, guys. I'm eyeing this right here. I'm eyeing this right here. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. If you weren't in that list of names, it's okay. We're going to do another draw at the top of the hour. We'll give you another chance. We'll give you another chance. We'll give you another chance. And we'll give you another chance to grab it all right? Anybody catch that waterfall? Did anybody hold on longer? Expecting a bigger drop here? Did anybody hold on longer there? That would have been a great hold to HP. I just wasn't super confident about this play up here. I held it to the VWAP, which I was super happy with. You know, the old Brad would have been like pissed off, like super pissed off that he closed out here and then watched it tank another 20 points. It really would have messed with my psychology. Back in the old days, I would have gotten mad and tried to get some more out of this and then get chopped up. You still got a runner, Mike? Nice. 40 points on NQ, Mac Dabrowski, cool. Just hit my min balance from my first account. NQ gonna definitely drop to the 100. Maybe. We're hitting that. This is an interesting level right here. This Friday close. So this was Friday's close before we had the war breakout. And this is where we gap down from. And you can see that gap down level has been like a magnet all week. Monday acted as support and resistance. And then again today, some support and resistance right around that same area. So ES back down to its Friday gap. NQ's gap is way down here. I don't know that we're going to make that big of a drop tonight to get that far. I would really like to see it get down here and tap HP, MHP, and let me get a chance to buy some of that. Zil from Finland, good to see you green. Yeah, man, thanks, buddy. It was a good day. I was green across the board on all my accounts from the New York session, and now we're green again tonight already to kick off the new trading day. So happy to be green. So this was the New York close right here that we just tapped on NQ. ES is traded below it and coming back up from the bottom to retest it. I don't know if I would short off of HP here. I think I would rather wait. I think I would rather wait for NQ to make another drop down. I don't want to short into this. I don't think I want to take that play. I think I'd rather, I'm gonna wait. That's what I'm gonna do. That's my next trade frame setup for me. 177 likes, we're getting so close. 23 more likes, guys, and we can do a prop account giveaway. 23 more likes and we can do a prop account giveaway. Gold has just been melting up all night. Gapped up and has just been melting up all night. Silver, same thing. Bitcoin looks more like ES and NQ, where it got kind of ground up, took out some liquidity and had a big drop. Oil, pumping. Did we get some war news drop? Has anybody been watching the news while the stream's been going on? It's hard for me to keep up with the news while the stream's going on and know, but that's a big pop on oil. Did we get some Gulf news? Like, did some tanker get blown up, or is there some war news drop right here? Financial juice. I always forget to look at it. Kuwait incident is at least 60 kilometers distant from the Mubarak Al Kabir port. Incident involving a tanker outside Kuwait's territorial waters. So there you go. There you go. Dang. Well, there you go. If you're trading oil. This is the crazy thing. I don't know that I would be an oil trader right now. 192 likes, guys. 8 more likes. 8 more likes and we'll give away a free pop account. I don't know how you could be. I know, Dan. I've got YouTube stream going. I've got OBS going. I've got TradingView going. I've got the account picker and X open, and I have Financial Juice tab. I need to get another monitor. After Matt gets a million, he's going to give me half. The chat voted. That was the poll tonight. So I'll buy a new monitor and keep Financial Juice open all the time. You're right. What's up, Lino? Welcome in. I was saying, I don't know how you could be a good oil trader right now. I feel like with everything that's going on, whew, you're going to get these big pops out of nowhere. 2% jump in oil. God. In under 10 minutes, a 2% pop. Nux Nostalgia, which breaking highs on what? How many monitors do I have? I have 3 monitors right now. So I have the Mac monitor that has OBS and like my music and text. And then I've got a 24-inch monitor, 27-inch monitor over here that has Discord, like a bunch of tabs with like X, the wheel of names, Financial Juice, all that. Then I've got on the other half of that screen, I've got the YouTube back into YouTube for the stream itself, so I can follow chat and watch everything that's going on there. And then this monitor that's in front of me is everything that you see right now on the screen is that monitor. So all of my accounts and trading and everything are right here. I really could use one more monitor. I don't know if the Mac I have will support more than just the 3, honestly. It's a MacBook Pro. It's really good. It's great for music production and video production. It's a super computer. It's fantastic. It's more than capable of doing everything I need it to. I just don't know if it has enough graphic support to support an extra monitor. Rockstar says, I'm really surprised ES and NQ is brushing off the war. The rise today was surprising. It's not so much surprising for me because there hasn't really been a lot of bad news for the US side of things. Yes, the war is terrible, and there's a lot of bad things happening over there. And we had the initial spook because it was uncertain. Listen, if there's some bad news that comes out for the US side, like if there's a big, if a base gets hit or a big ship gets taken out, or something like that, or they start downing planes out of nowhere all of a sudden, you're gonna see this thing tank. But right now, the news cycle that we live in, the war is on. I don't want to say it's old news, but on social media, how fast things turn over and click through in your algorithm. I don't want to say it's old news, but it almost feels like we're already desensitized. And as long as we continue to get good reports on the US side of things, the US markets are going to respond bullishly. But I promise you, one bad headline and we're back down at the bottom. We're having a big gap and we're back down at the bottom. This market right now is going to be headline driven. So as long as you keep getting good reports, I think you're going to keep seeing a bullish move. Look at that pop right off of that gap from Friday. Price, the market remembers these prices, man. Little short off of HP. Anybody taking that short off of HP right here on ES? I want to see NQ just come on down to daddy. Sorry, yeah, that was the oil chart. I do need more monitors. I would love to have more. I just don't know that I can support it right now. I don't know if the machine I have can do more than what I have. I might just need to get bigger monitors to have more real estate. If I can only do 2, maybe I get like, 36 inches or whatever, 40-inch, 240. That way I can just spread more out on the screens that I have. More computers, yeah. I need to get some. I need to get some decent payouts this year, and then I can upgrade all this stuff. I don't need to upgrade a ton. I do need to upgrade my camera, which I'm gonna do at some point. And I would like to upgrade my mic. As a sound engineer, I don't like the mic that I mean, it's fine, and I can make it work, and I can make it sound as good as I can with it. But I would like to get a different mic for this. Oh, dude, I forgot to put the. I actually did remove Apex. I worked on that today. In fact, I am Liquidity. I worked on that today. I took it off, and I just forgot to add in the new graphic into OBS. So I'll get that fixed for tomorrow. 200 likes, baby. I just looked down. 200 likes. Good job, chat. Good job, chat. Let me look and see what we got. Let me look and see what we got that we can reach into our little goodie bag here. I know we got a bunch of. And we got a bunch of those. Let's do a. Those are gone. I don't know how many more of those we have. Man, I've missed Slacks because all this hasn't been updated since Slacks has been a little MIA. All right, I'm gonna do. We'll do a funded next 25K rapid account. So don't start anything yet, but you're gonna type in. I'm gonna type in the keyword. Just hold still. I'm gonna show you the keyword that you gotta type in. All right. All right, you're gonna go and you're gonna type in Type in that word right there. I just put it in chat. Type in funded next, lowercase, just to be sure. Type in funded next. I'm gonna give you guys about 3 minutes to type it in, all right? I'm gonna give you about 3 minutes to type it in, and we're gonna chill to some scooter vibes while we're waiting. Type in funded next. We're gonna give away a 25K funded next rapid account. I love these accounts. I made a lot of money trading these accounts when they first came out, before they kind of got nerfed with the 80-20 split and raised the price. They nerfed them a little bit, and I haven't gone back to them since then, but they're still great accounts, especially if you can get one for free. Still a fantastic account. About 2 more minutes. Type it in, guys. We'll get it going. Got a knot in my shoulder. I know what I'm gonna do with my half mil. I'm gonna go get a spa day and a nice massage after I get my half mil. If you're just joining the stream, welcome in. My name is Brad. I'm the night shift host for the Rocket Scooter Day Trading with Matt channel. We have 3 shows on every single day. Matt trades in the morning. He's going through a $100K to $1 million challenge. He's about 600,000 over the last 8 weeks. It's incredible to watch. In the afternoons, our friend Neon. The room shows up for Neon in the afternoons. He goes on about 1:30 in the afternoon and goes all the way to market close. You definitely want to watch his show. And then I'm here every single night the market is open. We go on about 7 o'clock Eastern and we go all the way up to the 10 o'clock hour. 5th U.S. service member killed in Iran. Just got that breaking news report. But yeah, glad you're here. Hit that like button if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, man. We would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. It helps us reach more people, and the more people we reach, the more accounts we can give away to you guys. I'm telling you what, your best chance to win an account is watching the night shift stream or even Neon stream. Matt's stream has like 1,000 people in it, so your chances of winning there versus here are like, you have like a 1 in 5 better chance of winning an account here. There was a lot more in the first Gulf War, yeah. First Gulf War, man, we had the army. Like the army was on the ground. Right now, I don't think we've committed like boots on the ground actually in Iran that we know about, at least. I don't even know. Can they send? Can the president send troops in without congressional approval? I know that I know he has the ability to initiate military action as the commander-in-chief, but doesn't he have to have congressional? Maybe I'm wrong, but does he have to have congressional approval to send like a mass amount of troops in? I don't think he can just send in ground troops in a massive way without congressional approval. Spec Ops may be on the ground. They're never going to tell us that. That's like the Maduro thing, right? Send in 20 elite troops, blast them with some crazy alien weapon. Grab the president and get out of there. Yeah, I know Congress has to declare war. Only Congress can declare war. I'm just not sure, like, can he send in I think there's a limit to how much he can do without congressional approval of a declaration of war. Maduro made me love America. That was so cool. That was pretty crazy, especially when you heard about like the crazy like sonic weapon or something that they used, ultra like microwave gun that just like disabled 50 people in one swipe. They just fell down. What do I say about Israel? Like I don't know, man. I'm not gonna get all into the politics of everything. I'm not a big fan of war. I'll just say that. How about that? I'm not a fan of war. Limits engagement to 60 days without legislative authorization. But what is engagement, right? Like, can he send in like the 101st Airborne and like a whole brigade and detachment of soldiers and equipment and everything, and as long as he's out within 60 days, he doesn't have to get congressional approval? I feel like that's a little wonky, if that's true. All right. Let me get over here. How many we got? All right, we got 147. That's a good number. You can stop typing. If you type any more, it's not going to get copied over. So you can go ahead and stop typing. If you're in, you're in. If you're not, then you were too late. All right, let me get rid of all these. This is the boot camps. All right, we're putting in the new number here. 169 of y'all. I think it's fortuitous that landed on 169. You can stop typing fun the next. It's not going to change anything. The names are the names, and that's all there's going to be. So, all right, this is for a Funded Next 25K rapid account. Good luck. Good luck. The winner is Liquidity Provider 777. Let me know if you're in the chat. You are the winner. Type something in here and let me know you're here. Liquidity Provider 777. Provide me some liquidity. Yeah, that'd be nice. I know y'all got liquidity in your name. You got all jumpy. Liquidity Provider. I see you. I see you. All right, you're the winner of a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. If you are unfamiliar with what you're supposed to do, you are going to go into our Discord channel. You're going to find our admin named Slacks in the contest channel. You're going to let him know that you won a 25K Rapid account on Brad's night shift stream. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID and the email that's associated with your Funded Next account, and he'll hook you up. So congrats, man. Hope it works out for you. If we get to 300 likes, we'll do another giveaway, guys. 300 likes, we'll get you another giveaway. Top of the hour in 20 minutes, we're going to give away 10 more boot camps. So hang around for that. 10 more boot camps coming up at the top of the hour. About 20 more minutes. Paul Ramirez says 550K in 8 weeks. What are you referring to, Paul? 50K a day, 110K a week, 25? What? I'm not sure what you're referring to. Are you talking about Matt? Brett Tollin says, passed my first ever eval. Let's go. Congrats, Brett. Dude, I can remember the first time I passed an eval. I had blown up I was trying to trade. So when I first got into futures, I had no idea about Matt, had no idea about Rocket Scooter or any of that. Congrats, Brett. That's huge, man. That's a big freaking deal. It's hard to pass evals. They are difficult to pass. All right, so pat yourself on the back. Take a breather. It's all good. Like, that's a big deal. It really is. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, Dan. Let me get that music down. My bad. Thank you for telling me. But what I was saying was, NQ gonna give me my trade? NQ gonna give me my trade? Come on, baby. What I was saying was I can remember, like, I first started trading props. I didn't know Rocket Scooter. I didn't know Matt. I didn't know really anything about the futures prop firms. I just knew that I knew from marketing. And we get some more news drop. Anthropic chief again in talks with Pentagon regarding AI deal. Woo! Woo! I need to get, here we go. That is a very aggressive drop. See if we'll see if MHP holds here. So I'm just paying attention. This is where I wanted to get in. We'll see if MHP holds. We'll see if it holds. That was a very, very aggressive drop down here. Caught that first short tonight off of the liquidity sweep. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see. I think somewhere down around these lows, somewhere down here. Crap. It looks like it's just gonna run. Dadgummit, I did it again. That's about where I probably want to cut this off. What a drop, baby. Man. What a drop. Very, very crazy. Coming right back down to Monday's close. ES selling off hard. This is what Neon... I don't know if y'all watched Neon stream today, but Neon was talking about this is what he was expecting on the night, just a little sell-off overnight. Man, that is crazy. That is not you don't often get 100-point drops in the Asia session like this. We're used to this. This is what the Asia session looks like, so it makes me feel like I don't know why we got that big. There was nothing on financial juice popping out. Hopefully we get a bid up here off of MHP. Anybody take the short off of HP there on ES? That was a beautiful short down. I framed my trade. I'm gonna stick to it. See if it plays out. What's up, Market Vision? Welcome in, man. It's okay. Better late than never. Make sure you hit that like button on your way in, buddy. Hit that like button on your way in. Still in the ES runner. Cool. Wrote it down from 174 on NQ. Woo! It's a nice drop. What's up, Kimmel Parata? Welcome in. How you doing? Hit that like button for us. Welcome to the stream. Up to 260 likes. We need 40 more likes and we'll do another prop account giveaway. If we get 40 more likes, 273. Let me correct myself. 27 more likes and we'll do another prop account giveaway. At the top of the hour, we're also going to give away 10 more Rocket Scooter boot camps that were generously donated by Patrick Wieland this morning on Matt's stream. He wanted 100 people to be able to take the Rocket Scooter boot camp. Because of the incredible education it provides to futures day traders. And so we're grateful for Patrick for doing that and helping you guys out. Band Carrie says I just got cooked. Oh no. Oh no. I'm in 3 micros here on NQ playing this MHP bounce. See if we can come back up and reprice some of that instability there, that big drop. Johnny Richter says I'm $500 from passing these 5 evals. Bruh. Bro, did you know that the NQ monthlies are fractal? Did y'all know that the NQ monthly is fractal? Bro, did you know that, bro? Come on, somebody tell me. Somebody tell me that they know what I'm talking about. Come on, somebody tell me. Go look at no, bro. Yes, bro. Duarte Machado knows. Yes, bro. Walker Hound saw the post. Sounds like something ICT would say. Bro, NQ monthly is fractal. Mike Hook, I'm out of short. 2 TPs it. Done trading for that. Thanks, Brad. Well done, Mike. Well done. I don't. What do you mean fractal? It means the price. The way price moves on the top is the way it moves on the bottom. No, Matt posted on X earlier that he was at Starbucks and there was a guru sitting at a table with his laptop open on like a Zoom call or something with a student talking about trading futures, and he's like, he said the word bro about 1,000 times and kept saying the NQ monthly is fractal. And somebody was like, Brad, you got to bring that on the stream tonight. If they said if you bring it on the stream, then they would petition Matt to give me a 20% raise on top of the $500,000 that I get. I don't know. He blurred out the guy's face, so I don't know who it was. Somebody basically just dared Sir Darb to somebody dared Sir Darb to say it on the stream tonight. So there you go. Got you. Where do you put your stop loss? It's down here. I marked it on the chart. This is where I said I would cut it down near these lows. Definitely feels heavy here, doesn't it? Definitely feels heavy here. All Furus are in Houston? Maybe. The famous Furus. I could picture Matt sitting there listening to that guy talk. Yeah. Can you imagine? You're Matt, you're trading $100K to $1 million challenge. You're up to $600,000. You've traded it live in front of thousands of people every day. And you go into Starbucks and you hear some dude coaching another dude on day trading futures and talking about monthly fractals. That's got to be surreal. That was a huge sell-off, man. That was crazy. I want to see if we can get some recovery here. Doesn't look like it. ES definitely feels like it wants to continue dropping. Maybe back down towards this Monday half gap level. NQ, Monday's close. Looks like it's going to want to run for that. So looks like I'm going to take a little red heat on this one. Imagine going into Starbucks. Yeah. Look who's here. Lady Darb. What do I got? What are you bringing me? I love the reveal. I never know because it's covered up. Ooh, steak night? Steak night? You gonna come say hi? You're so tired. You can still come say hi. Come say hi. Everybody wants you to come say hi. Yeah, do. Everybody loves to see you. Who wouldn't want to see beautiful Pilates instructors? Everybody, Lady Darb, say hi. I don't know, but you gotta speak up. Oh my gosh, are you sick? Is that why I'm getting stuffy?
What?
I'm starting to get stuffy.
No.
I am. Everybody say hi to Lady Darb.
Hello.
She is beautiful, isn't she?
That's what I meant.
Huh?
That's all I meant.
Never ask a woman her age who raised you. Where's Remy?
What? Back out.
Is he? She is the Pilates Master Chief.
No.
You do not want to. You will get your ass kicked if you go to her Pilates class. I'm not kidding you. She does the hot room stuff, which is insane. You can't do it. No, you can't. No, you can't. Anybody have a question for Lady Darb? She's not Asian. I got a HEB ready meal steak. Why? You did technically prepare it for me.
I went to go get stuff for steak, and I was like, you know what?
You're not feeling great. It's all right.
How's it going?
We got a little green, but we're taking a little loss on this one right here. It's going fine. That's going good. What's it like being married to a famous YouTuber now? Matt said he was going to give me a half milli if he made the milli.
Okay. Slow down.
He put a poll.
Slow down.
He put a poll in chat, and it said, how much should Brad get if Matt gets a mil? And 49% of the people said I should get half.
Oh yeah, guys.
I think it's binding. I think it's a binding agreement. I'm waiting for the contract. What's Piggy doing? What do you mean? This is live. There's a 7 second. There's like a 7 second delay. So that's not Matt. That's pretty. He's paying you in boot camps though. Yeah, he's not paying me in boot camps. Are you sick? Because I'm not coming back. I'm not coming home if you are. Oh, that's Dogs and Sweaters.
Oh.
That's our oldest daughter. Dogs and Sweaters is our oldest daughter in the chat. She's a mod. I made her a mod.
Did you really?
Mm-hmm. All right. I'm cutting this one.
A little bit.
Cutting that loss. That's a manageable loss. She's losing her voice, Dogs and Sweaters.
It's a little more than that.
Am I sleeping on the couch tonight?
In the chest and
Am I sleeping on the couch tonight?
I got this from.
No. Dogs and Sweaters is a hilarious screen name. I think it's pretty cool. What's funny about that is I didn't even know that was her screen name, and she's been in here in the chat all the time. And she was texting me, she's like, Dad, I'm in the chat all the time. And I'm like, I don't know who you are.
Sad.
Kittens and Mittens is her alter ego. I think she's coming down. I think she's coming into town this weekend. I think she's buying a car, or she thinks she's buying a car. Dan, I don't know, man. Where are you thinking about getting long? All right, babe. Thank you so much for dinner.
Okay.
Say bye, Lady Darb. I love you. Right here, right now. Did I dump out too early, you think? My name is Brad. I'm not Matt. Matt is the founder. This is his channel. But he hired 2 new streamers, and so Matt streams in the New York session in the morning. And then Neon streams in the afternoons till market close, and then I stream every night from 7 to 10. I think if I get a reclaim on MHP, I'll jump back in on a different account. I'll rotate through. We'll try it on a different account. We'll try it on a different account. If it reclaims 8 MHP right here, I think I would take it one more time. Oh, yeah, you need that. Dude, you need your name somewhere on the screen. Yeah, maybe a little banner title. Gold didn't really drop too hard. Silver's pulling back off of its high. Bitcoin's finding lower lows. Oil's just climbing because of all the stuff in the Gulf, right, or in the Gulf of Hormuz, or Strait of Hormuz, whatever it's called. Why would it just stop here is my question. I always ask myself is why would price stop where it's stopping? I mean, you do have some area in here where there was some liquidity earlier. On NQ, why would it stop here? I would think it wants to make one more lower low, maybe back towards that Monday close. If we reclaim MHP, I might want to get back long. Otherwise, I don't know if I want to short this. I'm having less conviction in my framing trades tonight. Yeah, MHP could be resistance for sure, especially if it wants to go lower. MHP could definitely be resistance. I could try this on one other account. I'm going to rotate accounts here so we don't just sacrifice everything. Like if we're going to be wrong, we're going to be wrong small in a couple instead of wrong big in one. This is one of the things about not having the resilience indicators during the night that kind of sucks with the MHP. It's you just kind of have to frame your trade idea around a high pivot level and let it play out, because we don't have the resilience indicators to really tell us if it should hold bullish or resist as bearish. And that was quite the drop there. Yeah, definitely looks like If I can get a candle closure above MHP, I'm going to jump back in. I'm going to wait for a candle closure above MHP. 1 minute on the 1 minute. $289 likes, guys. If we can get 11 more likes, we'll do another giveaway. We just need 11 more likes. And we're at the top of the hour, so it's time to do another 10 boot camps as well. So we got all kinds of giveaways going on here tonight. Manus, you can take the boot camp and you can learn all about it. It's $20, but I'm telling you what, we're about to give away 10 boot camps. We're about to give away 10 boot camps right now. So hold on 1 second. Copy or type in all lowercase. Type in boot camp, all one word. I'm going to put it in the chat just so y'all see exactly how it needs to be. Type in boot camp. I'm going to give you about 2 minutes to type in boot camp. Type in boot camp. 2 minutes. If you haven't taken the boot camp and you want to win a boot camp to Rocket Scooter Education, it's the best trading education on the planet. Type in boot camp. If you haven't taken it, if you've already taken it or you have, a subscription to Rocket Scooter, you already have access to it, don't type in boot camp because you already have it. Keep typing. About another minute. Once we shut down entries, you can't type it anymore. It doesn't count. So I'm going to give you about 1 more minute. Dinner is done. That was delicious. Thank you, babe. Thank you. And we're over 300 likes. That's awesome. So we can do another account giveaway. Way to go, guys. Way to go, guys. Over 300 likes. I'm gonna try the MHP play again. New account, different account. MHP play one more time. All right. You can stop typing. I'm going to grab all the users. I'm going to shrink this down so I can kind of watch my trade here a little bit. We got to get all the names in. These are the old names here, so let's delete all that. And we got 65 entries. You can stop typing boot camp. we'll do another boot camp right before the end of the stream tonight, okay? So if you didn't get into this draw, it's all right. You can hang out at the top of the next hour right before we sign off. I'll do another 10 boot camp giveaways, okay? So boot camp winner number 1. I'm gonna get this down here. Let me, just so I can watch my trade. Nooks Nostalgia. Let's go, buddy. Nooks Nostalgia. You won. Are you really gonna give it up? You got a tough decision, bud. Hey, I won. I want to donate it to Matt Nasrivastava. All right, hold on. I'm going to have to write that down. Hold on. Let me just put this in a little doc. MANASSRIVASTAVA 9103. Okay. Manas Rivastava, you just won a free rocket scooter boot camp courtesy of Nooks Nostalgia, who wants you to experience how great the education is. So congrats. All right, we're going to spin again. Winner number 1 has been selected. Winner number 2. I'll tell you, if you win, just hang on. I'll give you instructions on how to claim your prize in just a minute, okay? Rifat Hossein, I guess is the way to say that. Rifat Hossein, you're the winner of boot camp number 2. Type something in chat, let me know you're here. Rifat Hossein. Did he type something? Rifat Hussein? Anybody? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spinning for number 2. Spinning for number 2. Bruner 82. Bruner 82. Are you in here? Kimmy, you can stop typing. We got your name in there already. It's on the wheel. Bruner 82. Are you here? Yeah, Rockstar. I'm just trusting the MHP levels here. So I'm hopeful. Bruner, all right. Bruner 82 is the winner of boot camp number 2. Congrats. Number 3. Yeah, you can stop typing boot camp. All the names are in that are in. You'll have another chance at the next top of the hour if you want to get your name in. Doc Holiday 100, winner number 3. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. If you want an account, just hang out. I'll give you instructions at the end. All right, Doc Holiday, winner number 3. Congrats. Spinning for number 4. Faith Flow Melodies. Faith Flow Melodies, you're the winner. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Congrats. Number 4. Yeah, y'all can stop typing boot camp. It's not going to get your name on there anymore. All right, Faithful Melodies, congrats. You're winner number 4. Winner number 5 for the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. Flashback. Congrats, you're winner number 5. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Yo, that's me. You're winner number 5. I see you. All right, spinning for number 6. Here we go. Super thirsty. Super thirsty. Type something in chat. You're winner number 6.
Give it to me.
Yo, super thirsty. I see you. Your winner number 6. Spinning for number 7. I don't have any other update on Slacks right now, just that we know he's alive. Matt said he caught him and locked him inside his basement. Sorry, let's go. Sorry, you win. Winner number, is that 6? Winner number 6? No, this is 7. Sorry, 7. Yo, let's go. Sorry. Winner number 7. Spinning for number 8.
That pickle chip.
Brian Cush. Type something in chat. Brian Cush. Number 8. Winner number 8 is Brian Cush. Brian Cush is here. Congrats, buddy. Winner number 9 coming up. Oh, almost on your birthday, Brad. Tim617, type something in chat. Congrats, you're winner number 9. Yeah, baby. That's a good call, Dan. Tim617, type something in chat. Let me know you're here. You're winner number 9. Nice, nice, nice. I got you. Last one for this hour. Last one for this hour. Oh, oh, oh! I am liquidity! Heyo! Wait, what? You don't want it? Yeah? Tell me, what do you want? You want it or are you donating it? Bro, come on. All right. I'm taking you off. No, I'm already respun. I already respun. Vivi5714. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Vivi's type something in chat. Vivi5714, type something in chat. You can't join this draw right now. You can join the next one at the top of the hour. Vivi, I got you.
Give it to me now.
Is that 10? Is that 10? I'm pretty sure that's 10. Oh my god, I lost track after I am liquidity. I think that's 10. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, that's 10. All right. All right, guys. We'll do 13 at the top of the hour. Right before we close out the stream, we'll do 13 to finish out the stream. And you guys got over 300 likes in, so we're going to do another giveaway. We're going to do another giveaway. It's giveaway bonanza on the night shift tonight. Let's do a $200 credit to the futures desk. So let me get you your keyword. Don't type anything yet. Let me get you your keyword up. Let me get you your keyword. Let's do this. Type in TFD. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes to type in TFD. We're gonna give you a $200 credit to the futures desk. The winner gets $200 to go to the futures desk and build your own burger. Build your own prop account, basically. Your own eval. Static, end of day, number of contracts, daily loss limit, all those things.
Scooter bride, you lead us through the trading night.
Type in TFD, guys. You got about, let me see how much time you got left. You got about 1 minute left. Type in TFD. We're giving away a $200 credit. $200 credit to the futures desk because you guys were so very generous tonight. We got over 300 likes again. This is the 4th night in a row we've gotten over 300. The last 3 nights we've gotten 400 likes. If we get there again tonight, I don't know what we're going to do. If we get there again tonight, I don't know what we're going to do. Man, this thing just does not want to find any legs up from here. We're just basing out down here. Feels heavy to me, guys. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking how this is building out. Man, oil is just pumping. Gold consolidating, silver consolidating. Oof. I just don't have a good. I'm just not feeling this right now. Even just get back up to HP, man. Just give me one HP tap up here. I don't think it's gonna happen. All right. 20 seconds. If you haven't gotten it in, get it in. You only have to type it once. It grabs it. Even if you type it 500 times, it's not going to get your name in there 500 times. You only have to type it once. And it picks it up. But I do appreciate the chat engagement. That helps the stream, so, you know. All right. You can stop typing. I've got all the users. All of the users are in. Where did my wheel of names go? Oh, there it is. It's over here. Damn it. Damn it. Hate it when it does that. I hate that feature. Let's get rid of all these names. These are the old names. And we're dumping in the new ones. All right, you can stop typing TFD. Stop typing TFD. Don't type TFD anymore. The names are in. The names are in. You can stop typing TFD. You're going to start pissing off the mods. All right, this is for a $200 rocket scooter giveaway. Not a rocket scooter, $200 the futures desk credit. You can go to the futures desk and you can build your own account. Here we go. Good luck. NQ Artisan. Congrats. Let me know you're here. Type something in the chat. It did spin. What do you mean it didn't spin? NQ Artisan, are you here? Type something in the chat. Let me know you're here. All right. I see you. NQ Artisan, you are the winner. $200 credit to the Futures Desk. Congratulations. Thanks so much for being a part of the stream and supporting us. This is the way we like to give back to you guys and support the community of Rocket Scooter, is to just give you guys free stuff. The more you use the code Rocket Scooter, the more you can, the more accounts we're going to be able to give away. The more likes you get in the chat, the more accounts you'll be able to give away. So just keep supporting, keep watching us grow, keep getting our name out there, keep using that code. And you know, it's like you scratch our back, we're gonna scratch your back. We got you. I'm cutting this. I'm not gonna hold it for the loss. I don't like the way this feels. My gut says not. This right here, we did not see the reaction off of MHP. As soon as we got through MHP and we could not find any momentum through there, I'm just gonna take my little paper cut there and be happy with that. We got about 30 minutes left in the stream, guys. We'll do one more 10. We'll give away 10. We'll give away 13. We have 33 boot camps to give away tonight. We've already given away 20. We'll give away 13 more boot camps to close out the stream in about 30 minutes. So hang around. Hang around. Dan, you still in your long? Yeah, Fraser, you're right. It should have popped. Like, it should have reclaimed and popped, and it didn't. Oh yeah, okay. Sorry about that. I didn't give you. If you won a boot camp, or you just won, if you just won the Futures Desk, you're gonna go into the Discord. You're gonna find a link to the Discord in the description of this video. Click on that link. Go to Discord. You're gonna go into the contest channel. There's a public contest channel. You're gonna find our admin named Slacks, and you're gonna send him a message. Let him know that you won either the boot camp or the Futures Desk, and then send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Okay, this is very important. And then you're gonna need, if you won the Futures Desk, you're gonna need to have an email account already set up with them. He's gonna need that information, but yeah, just make sure that you get all that information into Slack. Send him a message, let him know you won, and he'll hook you up with all the details of how to get all that taken care of and get your boot camps hooked up and your Futures Desk credits all hooked up. So Nux, you're still short? Dang, bro. Well, hopefully we don't make new lows. I think if I was gonna try to frame another long here, I think it'd be down in this area, the Monday half gap area on ES, maybe the Monday close area on NQ. Now it's like, man, we're bearish. Do I flip my bias? I told you all last night, the thing I struggle with the most is kind of having a bias of what I would want to look for. And when it doesn't go, like being able to switch up to the opposite direction, I still struggle with that a lot. That's a big part of the journey I'm on, is being able to pivot in the middle of a session to a new way. I feel like I've tried to do that in the past, and every time I've tried to switch, I get chopped. And then I just get pissed because I'm like, well, you should have just stuck with your original assessment and you would have had half the loss that you normally would have and lived to fight another day. Catch the next wave, you know? You're gonna play some Ark? Okay, cool. DD banned. We're not gonna get DD banned. I'm not gonna be up. If we get DD banned, I'm not gonna be awake for that. I mean, we've got 30 more minutes in the session. I don't know that I want to rotate to another account and try another position anywhere. So I'm probably just gonna chill here with you guys and kind of see what we get. Yeah, we could be in the thick of the Asia chop at this point. We haven't had any more volatility after that big drop. The volatility is dried up, volume is dried up. Super Earthman, what up, Brad? Just got here. How's your night? It's going well, buddy. We got one green winner on the board. We've taken a couple paper cuts here on this NQ. I was trying to get long when it dropped down to MHP. I tried to get long. I was in the green. I should have probably cut that. Was that even 40 points? Yeah, it was basically 40 points. I should have cut it and I didn't, and I let it run and it turned red. And then I tried again right here when it reclaimed MHP. I tried again and then I just cut it as it started grinding lower, just melting lower. I didn't want to wait and take a full stop on that. So, but the night's going well. The chat's on fire tonight. The stream's going well. We've given away 20 boot camps. We've given away 2 prop accounts. We're going to give away 13 more boot camps here in about 30 minutes. So, man, I can't complain. I love hanging out here with y'all. It's a good time. Nox Nostalgia says, great stream. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow night. Have a great evening. Thanks, Nox. Have fun gaming, buddy. Appreciate you. Thanks for donating that boot camp and paying it forward. Enjoying the stream. Keep up the good work. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that, man. I really do. It means a lot to me. I'll take all the compliments y'all want to give me, man. It makes me know that it's working and lets me know if I need to adapt or pivot or change, but I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. I'm going to get better as we go. As a streamer and a trader, all right? Fraser, I'm playing Arc while stream runs on the second monitor. All right, there you go. That's not a bad way. That's not a bad way to go. What's the profit target? 1250. So this one is pretty close to passing, 1250. These two, well, the bottom 3 kind of have a little ways to go still, but the one on top here, 1250, it's pretty close. Arc, NQ, and Brad. All good. Great show over here. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Being here is definitely better than watching mindless TV. Yeah, I mean, you can watch and maybe make a little money. Maybe make a little money. You never know. 68.55. Is that what you're looking for? I think I would be interested around 68.50 personally. Somewhere like in this range, right above half cap or right at half cap. Maybe that's where I might consider another attempt getting long there. Should have traded. Yeah, gold was a great open trade, man. Pop and go. Looks like it's making another run for DD ban tonight. It did that last night, and I tried one micro short off the gold DD ban last night, and I got crushed. Whoa! Market Vision coming in with another bootcamp donation. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much for doing that. Matt will match that times 3, so that's 4 more. So you got 17 boot camps to give away at the top of the hour. All right, we got 17 boot camps to give away at the top of the hour. So stick around, guys. Stick around. We got 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Smash it. we're going to be giving away 17 boot camps, courtesy of Pat Whelan and Market Vision Trailing.
Hey, did you hear? Hear what? Matt's doing a giveaway. Again, every single.
If we get one more big drop, I might try long again.
He's got a hat a little small, but hard enough to fund them all.
Can you explain what 50% consistency on a profit room account? Sure, yeah. So the consistency rules are all based around your profit target. So if you have $1,000 profit target, your largest winning day can't be more than 50% of your total gains. So if you have to gain $1,000, then you're going to want to stay under $500. If you go over $500, if you go over 50%, you have to keep trading until your biggest day is only 50% of the total profits. So if there is no profit cap, right? So there's some that don't have profit, like when you're funded. On the evals, if there's consistency, it just means like if you've got a $1,500 profit target and you have 50% consistency, you can't make more than $750 in one day, or you have to keep trading beyond that until you've made enough to where your biggest day is 50% of the total profits. There's some accounts that are like, we don't have a target when you're funded. You can go as big as you want. You can grow your account as big as you want, but your biggest day can't be more than 40%, right? So it just keeps you from YOLOing, because anybody can get lucky on one day and make $2,000 or $3,000, $4,000. And just to kind of nip that in the bud and to protect themselves, they put in the consistency rule. So now if you make $3,000 in a day, you got to keep trading and get that account pretty high so that $3,000 mark, until that $3,000 is 40% of the balance. So that's why consistency is, it's not a great, it's better than daily loss limit. Like I don't mind having the consistency rule. I hate having the daily loss limit. I hate that. But consistency is just a way to limit big windfall days. Man, Dan, your trade's holding on here, buddy. To combat the daily loss thing, got to go to the 150K accounts. Yeah, if you're gonna trade an account with daily loss, the best thing to do is go to the biggest account you have, so that you have a really large daily loss limit. If you're trying to trade an account like a 25K account with daily loss limit of like $400, it's miserable. $300, it's miserable. How do I set my chart up like yours? I don't know. Like, what do you want to know? Like the color scheme? This is TradingView on the screen right here. Over here is Trade-Evate, the web app, so I can show you the DOM and all the account P&Ls and cash amounts and stuff. Zoom out the chart a little bit to see that we bounced the same location. Yeah, I was looking at that earlier when you brought that up. We bounced right here. We bounced here this morning, which is, the old support resistance trick, right? What was resistance now becomes support. Classical trading education. Man, I'm so tempted to try to take this again. I'm just gonna chill. I'm happy. Yeah, TradingView is a lot cleaner to watch and to look at for sure. Not thinking long until above 090.
Lightning in the pocket puts the spark in the stride. Lightning in the pocket, electric groove, liquidity hitting with the shock wave move. Bright little spark in a
I'm gonna try it one more time. Try MHP one more time. MHP, give me some love, please. Come on, give me some love, MHP. So the overnight levels, we call them dynamic MHP and HP. They're rocket scooter algorithms' best guesses of where the dealers will be stacked up, where their orders would be stacked up, where volume would come in. So weekly hedge, the greenish blue line, the HP is weekly hedge pressure, and the orange line is monthly hedge pressure. So the difference is on a weekly time scale, options time scale, this is where the hedge pressure is likely to be, and on the monthly time frame, options time frame, that's where the dealers are likely to be. What's up, Neon? What's up, bud? How you doing, man? You take any trades tonight? You trading the Asia? You got your sell-off, buddy. I heard you talking about that on your stream at the end of the day, about expecting a little sell-off here in the Asia session. Did you grab any of that? No night trades? All right, all right. I had one banger winner short up here on ES. I tried to grab MHP, was in profit, and I let it turn red. Rotated to another account on the reclaim of MHP. Cut it short. Now I rotated to my last. I want some MHP love. I'm trying one more time on the MHP bounce here, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I was the same. That's why my small winner is so small, is because I was not super convicted about it. I didn't have the conviction on it. And so I went really small on my position sizing because I wasn't super confident. And I got the winner, but I also got the small winner. And of course I went with my normal position sizing on the MHP test here and took a little paper cut. It's fine. It's not a big deal. We're still in a good position there. Really, you can listen to the, well, so this isn't, this is all my music, Marcos Rodriguez Damoto. I wrote all this music and produced it all inside of AI, so these are all my tunes, so I can play the heck out of them. I missed that part of your stream. I was so busy this afternoon. I only got to catch like the last little bit. But yeah, when you win and you're right, but you win small, it definitely plays with you, doesn't it? Somebody wants to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dying. Doesn't bode well for NQ and ES. They seem to be lockstep and barreled. Bitcoin, ES, and NQ. It definitely messes with you when you end up being right, but you size down and you're like, okay, cool, I won. It played out. But then you get your little baby wins and you're like, ugh. You saw on Twitter that Matt managed to not lose even when taking a random long. I'm interested to learn more on that. Can you help me a bit on that? So yeah, it's all part of the rocket scooter when you in the boot camp that you won tonight. you're going to go hear all about the blind monkey strategy. So the blind monkey strategy is that position sizing and trade management is the #1 key to being profitable. It's not necessarily your strategy. It's not necessarily all about your trading system. A blind monkey can just click long, and he explains all this theory, so I don't want to give away too much of it because it's all in the boot camp. But basically, you can just click, a blind monkey can click long with a small position size, and over the course of a month, he would more than likely end up profitable, or at least not blow up the account just by managing his position size. So the theory is you get long and you hold it till the end of the day. If it either loses or wins, it can take, there's a set loss that it would take during the day, and if it hits that loss, you're done. You don't take any more trades. If it's winning, you just hold it until the end of the day. And over the course of a month, you're definitely not going to blow up the account, but you would for sure, you might even actually make money. And so Matt did a challenge back in November on the stream, on his morning show live, where he demonstrated, he let ChatGPT randomly pick a time. At the beginning of the session, he came on and he would say, ChatGPT, pick a random time before, I think like 11 o'clock, that I have to go long. And no matter what the market was doing, no matter where it was, no matter what was happening, he would have to go long at that time. And the only thing that he could control was his position size, how big he wanted to go in, where his stop would be, and where his take profit would be. And you can go back and look at some of those streams in November. He would screenshot every day, and his win rate was basically 50%. And he was just demonstrating that you just randomly going long, if you manage your position size, you can for sure not blow up your account, and you can at least be neutral, if not slightly profitable, with that kind of trading random strategy. So that's kind of what that was about. You can go back and watch some of those live streams from November when he was doing that. Come on, MHP. Don't close back under there. Don't you close back under there. The 15-minute is basing out barcoding. Pink, blue. We don't want to see more pink. We want to see another blue. At least run up to MHP, you know? I mean HP. At least go retest HP. Wear your glasses. I got my contacts in, man. I have old man eyes, and I have nearsightedness. So old man eyes means you can't see anything up close when you get old. But I'm nearsighted, so I can't, like, anything, if I don't have glasses or contacts in, anything about like a foot and a half away from me just gets blurry. So I have to wear my glasses to see far away. But if I put my glasses on, because I'm nearsighted, I actually have really good up-close vision. I have really good up-close vision because I'm nearsighted, even though I'm 50 years old. But if I put my glasses on, it's for distance, and it messes up my near sight. So because of my old man eyes, that's just the way it works. So my contacts that I have in right now, my left eye, I have a distance vision in for my left eye. And I have like a reader glass magnification for my right eye. So it's called monovision, I guess, or I don't know what that's, I don't even know if it's monovision, but if I have my glasses on right now, I wouldn't be able to see like my phone or the MacBook screen, and maybe even some of the stuff on the screens right up in front of me. I would have to get really far back, and then that would look really awkward. So I have to wear my, look at this little retest. Can we turn this account green? Can we turn this account green? Come on, MHP. Give me some love. Give me some love. Come on, give me some love. Give me one pop. Give me one pop. Give me one pop. Let's go. Come on. Don't you fall off at M8. Don't you fall off HP. Just break right through that. Spy wants to come back up to that open right there. Oof, come on, don't you do that. Don't you play with me like that. Breakthrough HP. Let's go. Let's go. Blast off. Blast off. Don't you stall. Where it stalled right last time. Popped through, grabbed it, rejected. Yeah, gummit. Don't you give me that. I'm trading NQ. Actually, I'm trading the MNQ, the micro NQs is what I'm trading right now. I'm on 25K flex accounts with Lucid Eval, so I'm not going to be trading any minis on this. This is all going to be micros until I pass. And micros on the funded side as well. Needs a whoosh fan. I'm not the best whoosh fan drawer, I gotta admit. Let's go whoosh fan. I got a whoosh fan song. I got a whoosh fan song. I haven't been practicing, no. I just got lucky. Come on, give me one pop. Just keep melting up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me some rockets in chat. Give me some rockets in chat. Let's go, baby. Turned it green. Dan, you holding, baby? Did you cut? You cash out? You still roll? You still rolling? Let's go. That whoosh fan, baby. That was the trick. We turned it green. We clawed back the loss and turned it green. Nice call, Dan. Nice call. Why I didn't close early? I got my 40 points. What do you mean I closed early? That's what I roll. I roll 40 points. That was my TP. That's my trading strategy. Get my 40 points and move on. Let's go, guys. That's what I'm freaking talking about. We're finding our groove here in the night. We're finding our groove here in the night shift, baby. We're finding our groove. It's taken me a couple weeks. I've never traded the night shift before. So, you know, we'll get there. Just hang on. Just hang on. Whoosh fan to the moon. That song. Let's remember that next time we draw our whoosh fan. Whoosh fan to the moon. That was the one, man. First time seeing me trade Asia. Well, welcome in first of all. But I've been trading Asia. I mean, we took trades. We had 2 winners last night. We had 2 winners tonight. We had 2 winners on Sunday night. I think I've traded every night this week. I guess you just haven't been in here, man. You too, buddy. Nice hole, nice hole. We made it work. We made it work. Boom, boom, boom. That's how you get it done, folks. That's how you get it done. I like you, I like you, I like you. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. I mean, you heard me talk it out. You heard me talk it out. This is how you frame trades, and this is how you execute trades. At least for me, this is what my trading plan and strategy looks like. I'm gonna frame a trade. I'm gonna understand why I want to get in, where I want to get in. Can I make it a cheap trade if at all possible? Where do I want to get out? Does it make sense with the way price is moving, the way price is being delivered, the way the market is moving? Is it bearish? Is it bullish? All of these things go into being able to frame up a trade, an actionable trade idea. And it's all built, like all of the trades I took tonight were off rocket scooter levels. The yellow line is not, it doesn't have, it's just called yellow line. But that was where the short was off of ES. I talked it out. I was like, hey, I want to see a sweep of the previous day high. I want to see an aggressive close back underneath the yellow line, which we got both of those. And I went short all the way back down to VWAP. Obviously could have held for a lot more. I just wasn't super confident in it. So I went small in the position sizing, did get the win. That was our first little win. The second trade tonight, I talked it out as NQ was dropping down here. I said I wanted to buy MHP. We had that really volatile drop at 840 tonight, 100-point drop, which is not common for Asia session. We had some news come out about from the war in the Middle East about something got hit out off the territorial waters of Kuwait, I think it was, and we had this big dip. I tried to buy right here. Well, I did buy right here. The account, it was green. It was right at my 40-point interval, but I just didn't close it out. I think I was looking at chat or something. I just forgot. And that one turned red, and I took the loss. Cool. We took a little paper cut on that one. No biggie. Reframed it. I said if we reclaimed MHP, I would try it again on another account. We reclaimed MHP, but you see the difference between what happens when you hit MHP and it's gonna go, and when you hit MHP and it doesn't. You see how it just bottles up right here, and it shows no desire to have any momentum beyond that. So I cut my loss a little early as I saw it melting back down. And it was red here on this account. Cut it early, trusted my gut. When it reclaimed a second time, got back in, and that's when we saw the pop. We clawed back the paper cut and then added more on top of that. So that was a great trade. Two really good trades. This was actually a good trade. This loss right here, it's not a win, but it's a good trade. Does that make sense? It fit my trading plan. It fits my trading style. I followed the rules and I executed it. I have to take it every single time. The MHPs are basically what we call EST plays every single time. I took it and I took the loss where I said I was going to take the loss, and that's fine. Like, you're not going to win every trade. There's no streamer that you're ever going to watch. There's no trader you're ever going to trade with that's going to win every single trade. It's just not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. So I like that trade. It didn't work out. I took the loss. I took a small loss. I was wrong from the right place. And then we were able to rotate into another account and see it all play out again. So MHP, Chief Jim, welcome in. First of all, thanks for being here. Hit that like button if you would. It really helps us on the stream. MHP stands for monthly hedge pressure, and it's based off of the underlying options market for QQQ. And so this is where dealers are positioned on the options market, and we just correlate it over to NQ. And so This is where, and look, these we drew these lines. Both of these lines, the HP level is weekly hedge pressure. MHP is monthly hedge pressure. We drew both of these lines before the session began, and look at how price is rolling around them. This is where the dealers are positioned on the options side of things, and it correlates over to the future side. Same on MES, on the ES. MHP is way down here, so it's not anywhere near current price action. HP tonight, look what happened to HP tonight. Look how it broke through. We don't know if it's gonna hold as support or if it's gonna resist, if it's gonna keep price down as resistance. We don't know that. We have other tools and other strategies to help us figure that out, but we know where to get in. We know where that volume is gonna come in at. So like right here, broke through HP, came back up, retested, sold off on ES there. And you can see it's just chopping between MHP and HP right now. So if you stick around, Chief Jim, we're giving away 17 boot camps in about 5 minutes. We're gonna give away 17 boot camps to the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp Academy. Not academy, but just the education. It's the best trading education you're gonna find, I promise you. If you don't win, it's only 20 bucks. It's very inexpensive, and it's 20 bucks that you'll wish you would have spent a year or two ago and wondered where it has been all your life. Speaking of that, let's get it going. Let me get in the keyword here. We're gonna give away 17 boot camps, and we're gonna do Chat GPT on this one. We're not gonna spin 17 times. Type in the word boot camp if you haven't taken the boot camp yet and you would like to take the Rocket Scooter boot camp. We've already given away 20 because Patrick Wieland wants you all to take the boot camp. He came in and donated to Matt's stream this morning, $500, and Matt tripled that amount. He matches every donation by 3. He tripled that amount because it's the greatest trading education in the world. And so Matt gave away 33 this morning. Neon gave away a bunch. I think he's gonna hold some for tomorrow to give away. I'm giving them away all tonight. So Market Vision Trading also donated another boot camp tonight live on stream. So that's 4 more. So we've already given away 20. We're giving away 17. So that's gonna be 37 boot camps. Almost a world record here on the night shift stream. 40 is the most we've ever given away on one stream. But tonight we're giving away 37. So type in boot camp. PW is also Matt's student. God, I hope Matt's watching this. Somebody clip that. PW, publicly, I can't verify. I can't confirm nor deny that. I don't know. Hey, it's all right. When I started watching Matt, I never was in chat. For the first probably 3 to 4 months I was watching Matt, I was never in chat unless he was doing a giveaway. It's fine, man. A lot of people just watch the stream and they listen to the commentary and they kind of hang out and they're just lurkers, man. They're just trying to learn and see how it all works and find out if we're crazy or not, you know? I sent a message about the boot camp last time about how much I liked it. Bot must have grabbed the word from my message and entered me. Oh, yeah. If you typed the word boot camp right now, it's getting picked up by the bot. Work and lurk. That's right. Work and lurk. We're giving away 17 Rocket Scooter boot camps. It's a 20-day boot camp. Matt's gonna do a live boot camp at the end of March, but all the videos are already recorded. You can go in right now and you can start going through all of those videos at your own speed and pace. And they're fantastic. You're gonna want to watch them multiple times. Hey, Mike, thanks for being here, buddy. Thanks. Have a great night, bud. We're going to give away 17 boot camps, and then I'm going to tuck y'all in, okay? 17 boot camps. I'm going to use Chat GPT for this because we're not going to spin. Let me get chat open here. Let me get a Chat GPT pulled up. We're not going to spin 17 times this late at night. I ain't staying up that late. I love y'all, but Daddy's got to sleep. All right. Pull this up. Okay, let me, how many we got? How many we got? 62? All right, I'm going to give you, you have 27 seconds, 26, 25. If you haven't yet typed in boot camp, you only need to type it once. It gets you, anytime you type it, it doesn't add, there's no duplicate entries. You don't get more chances to win if you type it 100 times. You just piss off the mods. You only have to type it once, but whatever you want to do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. You can stop typing. Please choose 17 people randomly from the list below to win a rocket scooter boot camp. All right. Here we go. We got like 67 entries. All right. Good luck. Rocket Scooter Bootcamp winners. Texas-made trades. Batman and Spider-Man. Period. Ismo Disperso. Jabin's Pizzeria. Jaboni's Pizzeria. That's a great name. Can't Fumble Trades. Smoke Eater. Rocket Scooter. I typed boot camp and I won. All right, we'll have to re-roll one. I'll save it for tomorrow. I'll save that one for tomorrow. Remind me that I have one boot camp to give away tomorrow. Dre Muck, Kimberly C, Nooks Nostalgia, Market Vision Trading, Hector Torres, BF, Goated Grand LNC, Mango, STMP, GLD, and Eva Trades. Nux got that karma. He gave away his first one and he won again anyway. Market Vision Trade, he's the one who donated. I wonder why he's in there. All right, I'm gonna grab all these. Remind me tomorrow, guys, that I have one more boot camp to give away because Rocket Scooter AI doesn't need to take the Rocket Scooter boot camp. If you won the boot camp, you're gonna go into the description of this video. You're gonna find the Discord, and you're going to go to that Discord, go to the contest channel. You're gonna message the admin named Slacks in there. Send him a message, let him know you want a boot camp on Brad's night shift stream, and send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, okay? And he's gonna hook you up with how you can get hooked up with that boot camp. So you guys are gonna love it. The education in there is second to none. I promise you, it's second to none. It's been a great stream, and I say this every time before I tuck you in. I so much appreciate you guys showing up here every single night for the last 3 weeks, helping us launch Rocket Scooter stream into the evening session. I appreciate the way that you support me. I'm not a full-time professional day trader. It's not my full income. Hopefully one day it will be, and this is just part of my journey along the way, and so I hope it's helpful for you. But I truly am humbled that you guys are in here. I love hanging out with you. We have a great time. And I hope you'll come back tomorrow. Our week is done tomorrow night because there's no The market's not open on Friday night. So we finish the week out tomorrow. We'll be back at 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Make sure you check out Matt's stream in the morning, the 100K to $1 million challenge. He's up to 600K. Make sure you check out Neon's stream in the afternoon. But for now, the night shift's clocking out, and it's time to say goodnight and tuck you all in. Good night, Madeline. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Have a great night.
Orders then, final print is settling in.
Good night, Super Earthman. Sweet dreams. Neon. Sweet dreams, brother. Mafia Gaming, good night. Brad Petty, good night. Duarte Machado, It Burns Trades. Love you guys. Thanks for being here. Good night. Air Foonish, good night. Fraser, of course. Time to turn the lights off, buddy. Go to sleep. Randy Ray, good night. Park Gardens, good night. Thanks for being here. Lucas Krug, I'm Liquidity. Have a great night. Go to sleep. Daily Man, good night. Matt Dabrowski, good night. Hector Torres, thanks for being here. Good night. Blue Outside, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Good night. Have a great night, Rockstar. Sleep good. Good night, Kevin. Good night, Kennedy. Lewis Features. Appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for being here. Have a great night. IRT Trades. Sweet dreams of green, buddy. Larry Market Safari. Sleep great, man. Have a great night. Good night, Dan.
Sweet dreams are made of green. Sweet dreams of green tonight.
Dave Mack. Go to bed, buddy. Super Earthman, you have to turn the lights out. You've already had a glass of water, buddy. It's time to go to sleep. Good night, Drops Homestead. Good night, Son of Wall Street. Rogue of the Lamb, buddy. Thanks for being here. Have a great night, my friend. Sleep well. Sweet dreams of green.